Want to escape the rat race? Tired of trading time for money? The future is here and it's powered by AI. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and your money is already working for you. That's the power of passive income, and AI is the key. Forget Wall Street hotshots and complicated trading algorithms. AI tools like ChatGPT are leveling the playing field, giving everyone a shot at financial freedom. It's like having a 24/7 financial advisor, minus the hefty fees and confusing jargon. No more excuses, no more waiting for the right time. AI is your unfair advantage, and it's time to cash in. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is this ChatGPT thing? Picture a super smart computer program that can understand and generate human-like text. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell, but here's the kicker. It can do way more than just chat. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, always ready to brainstorm, write, and even make money for you. Need help creating killer content? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to automate your customer service? ChatGPT can handle it. The best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. It's as easy as typing in what you need, and ChatGPT will work its magic. Ready to meet your new best friend? Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom, and ChatGPT is your secret weapon. How? By automating tasks that make you money 24/7, even while you sleep. Imagine this. ChatGPT is busy writing engaging blog posts, crafting compelling marketing copy, or even managing your social media, all while you're catching some Z's. It's like having a tireless clone working around the clock to grow your wealth. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT can analyze market trends, identify profitable niches, and even generate creative business ideas, giving you a competitive edge in the ever-changing world of finance. Section 4, from zero to hero: real people, real money, real AI. Don't just take our word for it. Real people, just like you, are already using ChatGPT to rake in passive income. Take Sarah, a single mum who turned her passion for baking into a thriving online business using ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped Sarah create mouth-watering product descriptions, manage her social media marketing, and even automate her customer service, freeing up time to focus on what she loves: baking. Or how about John, a freelance writer who used ChatGPT to scale his business by generating high-quality content for multiple clients simultaneously? These are just a few examples of the countless success stories out there. If they can do it, so can you. Section 5. Your ChatGPT action plan. 5 steps to passive income glory. Ready to join the ranks of AI-powered entrepreneurs? Here's your 5-step plan to jumpstart your passive income journey with ChatGPT. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Second, brainstorm ideas. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm passive income ideas within your chosen niche. Think online courses, ebooks, affiliate marketing, and more. Third, create engaging content. Leverage ChatGPT's writing prowess to craft compelling website content, blog posts, social media updates, and marketing materials. Fourth, automate your workflow. Explore tools and integrations that allow ChatGPT to automate tasks like social media posting, email marketing, and customer support. And finally, monitor, analyze, optimize. Regularly track your progress, analyze data, and use ChatGPT to optimize your strategies for maximum profitability.